Hello everyone, welcome to a new drawing tutorial. This will be a redux on my how to draw a bird video. No longer attached to any sort of controversy. People didn't like that apparently. To start drawing the bird, you're gonna need to have the beak, right? And it's gonna need to be like this. And then you're gonna wanna make the head. And the head's gonna look something like this. And you're gonna wanna get the eyes. And then you're gonna wanna get the eyebrows. Sorry, this was the beak was actually a mistake. That was just like a face lump or something. And then you're gonna wanna make this and have whatever these are, then have the wings. And have its legs. You're gonna patch that all up and color it in. Some people like making their eyes yellow. Oops. Though I don't see the appeal, I'll do it for the people that need to learn how to do that. There, and then hey, and then wait, whoops, almost forgot. You're gonna need to have the beak, and once you do that, bada bing, bada boom, and you're done. That.
That's not a bird.